Good morning, children. Yes, I welcome you all first standard math subject. Okay, see here, students. In before class, we already learnt. So Raju's daily activities. Yes, what he'll doing before going to bed, and what he will doing in the morning time, and after come to school, what he'll doing in home. So all will be learned. Yes, and also will arrange that activities in order way in the first session. Okay, so and also we will be finding the daytime and also night time. Okay, so today we will discuss that topic, that is days of the week. Okay, days of the week. Yes, students, we can understanding. So how many days are a week? In a week, how many days are there? Yes, so in a week there are 7 days. How many days? There are 7 days in a week. Yes, so which are those here? So I'll write here. So before going to writing here, the day first, that is Sunday, and the day last, that is Saturday. Okay, the first day of the week is Sunday, Monday, yes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, so these all are days of a week. Okay, so in a day how many? So in a week how many days are there? In a week there are 7 days. Yes, the first day of the week is Sunday, second day of the week is Monday, third day of the week is Tuesday, fourth day of the week is Wednesday, then fifth day of the week is Thursday, sixth day of the week is Friday, seventh day of the week is Saturday. Saturday is the end of the week. First day, last day. Understood this one? Okay. So these all are the days of the week. Already you know these all. Okay. So here they can given here some of the options. Okay. Tick the right one. So here first question they can given here. Tick the day that comes after Sunday. Yes, so after Sunday, which day it will comes here? So they can mention here, given a 3 options: Monday, then Saturday, Friday. Yes, so after Sunday, which day comes here? Yes, tell me, students. So Sunday after which day it will comes? So that is Monday. So they can given here boxes in the below the day. So you can be do what you will do, right mark in the which day it will comes after Sunday. Okay, yes, that is first one. Second one they can given here, take the last day of the week. Yes, so they mentioned here Sunday, Saturday, Monday. So in these 3, which day is the last day of the week? Yes, tell me, student. Yes, so which day it is? The last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is first day. Yes, Saturday. Yes, Saturday is the last day of the week. Yes, next one, that is third one. Ring the day that comes after Wednesday. Yes, so here see, students, they can given here Friday, then next Tuesday, Thursday. Yes, after Wednesday, which day it comes here? Friday comes? No. Tuesday comes? No. Thursday? Yes. So after Wednesday, which day it will comes here? So Wednesday, next day is Thursday. Yes. Okay. Then next they can given here fourth one. Ring the day that comes before Monday. Yes, which day it will comes before Monday? Wednesday. Next Sunday. Then Tuesday. Yes, tell me students, before Monday which day it comes? So Monday before day means that is the week first day. Yes, so that is Sunday. Sunday is the before day of Monday. Sunday comes before Monday. Understood this one? Okay. Next one, that is fifth one. Ring the day that comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. Yes. Fifth one, ring the day that comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. Yes. Friday options. Friday, Monday, Wednesday. Yes. So here in between these 3 days, it means ring the day that comes in between the day Tuesday and also Thursday. Thursday and Tuesday in between, which day it comes? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So the day is which day? Wednesday. Understood this one? Yes. Students, they can given here. So next question, color the first day of the week. They can mention here. Yes. So that is sixth one. Sunday and Friday they can given here. You can be give the color the first day of the week. Which day it comes here? First day of the week. That is Sunday. Understood? So you can give the color of the Sunday. Understood? This is the sixth question. Okay. Next one. That is seventh question they'll ask here. Color the leaf representing the first day of the week and green. Then the leaf representing the last day of the week, that is blue. Yes. So they can given here what? Color of the leaf. Yes, I'll draw here, see, that is yes. You can give the color of these leaves. Okay. Yes. So I'll write here. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, see here. So this is a Sunday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, what they can given here question, see. So that question is color the leaf representing the first day of the week, green color leaf. The first day of the week is what? Which day that is? I'll give the color of here. That is green color. Green color, I'll give the first day of the week. Okay, you are also give the color. That is Sunday, the first day of the week. Then next, the leaf representing the last day of the week is blue. The last day of the week is which color? So I am using blue color. That is Saturday. Saturday, I'll write. That is Saturday. I am using here blue color. Understood? So green color is the first day of the week. Then blue color is the last day of the week. Okay, so you can be give the color in the textbook. Okay, next one they can given here, match the days of the week. So now we will match days of the week. Yes, that is 8th question. They can given here, match the days. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Next here, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Yes, what we'll do, they can given here, match the days of the week with the next day as shown. So with the next day what they can show, so we will match them. Okay, first one they did here, Monday. Monday next which day it comes here? Monday. Monday next Tuesday. Understood? Okay, next one Wednesday they can given here. Wednesday next which day it comes here? Wednesday next Thursday. Understood? Okay, Friday. Friday next day of Friday, that is Saturday. Yes, Sunday. Sunday next day, that is Monday. Understood? So we'll match the days next day. Understood? Okay, this is the match the following. Yes, next one they can given here, that is a 9th mean, number the days of the week in order. That is 9th one, number the days of the week in order. Yes, so here they can mention here, first box, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we'll write here, what we will write here, we'll write the Saturday, next day Monday, Wednesday, Sunday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday. Yes, so what we will do here, so we will match these week in order. Yes, okay, so which day it comes here first day? Which day it comes here first day? That is Sunday. Sunday is the first day. Second day of the week, that is Monday is the second day. Third day of the week, where it is? Yes, that is Tuesday. Next, fourth day of the week, Wednesday. Fifth day of the week, Thursday. Sixth day of the week, Friday. Seventh day of the week, that is Saturday. Understood? So you are also arranging like this. In order you will be write down. Understood this one? Okay. So next one we are going as here students, months of a year. Now we will study that is months of the year. Yes, in a year how many months it will comes? In a year there are 12 months. Yes, how many months it will comes in a year? 12 months comes in a year. Yes, here see students, that is the first month of the year is twelve months of the year. Yes, so that is they can given here. So January, yes, 2nd February, 3rd March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, that is last one is December. So these are the months of the years. Okay, so months of a year. So here January, first month in the year January, second month February, next 3rd March, 4th April, 5th month May, June, 6th month, 7th month July, 8th month August, 9th month September, 10th October, 11th month November, and 12th month is December. So these all are the months of a year. So here see students, we can understanding January is the first month of a year, December is the last month of a year. Understood? January is the first month of a year and December is the last month of a year. Okay, and here see, so they can given here in the exercise. So what are those they can given here in the exercise? Exercise. Okay, the first question, tick the month that comes after March. After March, which month it will comes here? Yes, that is January, April, August. Yes, so what they can given here? The tick the month that comes after which month are given here? After March. So that is March. March month after which date, which month it will comes here? That is April. Understood? Yes, they can be given here boxes, you can be fill that. Okay. Second one question, tick the month that comes before July. Yes, so that is June, May and December. So they can mention here June, May and December. So in these 3 months, which month comes before July? Before July, which month comes here? June. Yes. So this is the answer. Next one, third one. Tick the month. Tick the month that comes in between September and November. September and November. In between September and November, which month it will comes here? Those are October, December, next August. Yes. So which month it will comes in between? The September and November. See here, September and November. Which month is comes here? That is October. Is there here October? Yes, we can do like tick mark. Okay. So this is the third one. So next one they can given here, ring the first month of year. In the exercise, that is the fourth main, ring the first month of first month of a year. Yes. So that is January, July, August. Yes. So in these 3 months, so which is the first month in the year? So first month of the year is, that is January. Yes. Okay, so we'll ring this January. Okay. Yes. Next one they can given here, fifth one, that is ring the last month of the year. So last month of the year, which month it will comes here? That is ring the last month of a year. Yes. So last month of a year they can mention here September, December, next March. Yes. So in between these 3 months, which month is a last month? That is December month is the last month. Okay, understood that is? Okay. So next one they can be given here, match the months with their next month. Okay. So match the months with the next month. First I'll write here September, November, March, January. Okay. So in these 4 months, February, October, December, April. Yes. So how we will be matching here? The next month of the year. Okay. So in their next month, September next, which month it will comes here? So next September next, October, November next, December, March, April, January, February. Understood this is? This we can call as the match the following the month, the next months of a year. Okay, so next they can be given here, match the months with their previous month, match the month previous month, before month. Okay, that is 7th one April, May, the 7th May and April. Okay, April, August, November, June. Here July, May, March, October. Yes. So here before month we will be match here. Before month, before April month, March after April. Yes. So we can show this is a before month. So August before which month comes here? Yes. So August before July. July, August. Okay. And next November before which month comes here? Yes. November before October. October, November. Understood? And June before which month comes here? May. So May, June, July. Like, okay, understood? This is a before month. What it is? The previous month. It means before months we will be matching here after month. Understood? This is okay. So next main they can given here. Raju wants to complete this year train. Help him by numbering the months of the year in order. The first in one is done for you. Here see. So Raju is matching this one. Yes, so it means he is completing the train. So how we will be? Here see students, that is the 8th main. Raju wants to complete this year train. Help him by numbering the months of the year in order. The first one is done for you. So this is the train. Raju is arranging these train in a year. Okay, in 1 year how many months it will be, comes in order way. So you can be help here. First one which month it will comes? January. Second one February, like March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Yes, October, November, December. It means, so here in a month, how it means in a year there are 12 months. You can be, they can given here. So write here 1. This is January 1, February 2. Like you can be do this one. Okay, so you can do yourselves, that is okay. So students, I hope you understood. This lesson is completed today. Tomorrow we'll start, that is the new lesson, that is data handling. Thank you for watching.